Yes, we've got into one this morning. This is on cheese. I had cheese on both hooks. That's a carp. There we go. We're on the board this morning. About 40 centimeters. Like I said, caught him on cheese. There you can just see how high the river actually got with the watermarks there on the trees. It's taller than me. Well, good day everyone, and welcome back. I am down at the Harfluer Street boat ramp. I haven't been able to fish down here in months. And even though the boat ramp is still closed, the water's gone down enough where I can fish. As you can see, I've already hit the board this morning. First fish of 2023, and of course it was a carp, but hey, I'll take anything the way the fishing's been lately. About 15 minutes after I got here, I did get a really big hit on the cheese, which I'm definite was a cod, but I didn't catch him. But keep trying. As I said, I got the cheese, but I've also got salami, corn, and bread. Hopefully we can hook a few more before I have to go. I'm getting something playing with it again. Come on, take it. Oh, I think I blew my chance there. Oh! I think we missed him. And we've hooked into another. I had salami and cheese on it this time. Right. But it doesn't matter. It's another carp. There we go. Caught him on salami. He's probably pretty close to the same size as the other one. But that's two for the morning. So, all good. Well, only two fish on the day, but I must say I got plenty of bites. It was difficult though, because you have to go through all those little carp that are everywhere to try and get to the bigger fish. It is fantastic though to have some place close to home now to fish. Driving to Jerilderie to catch something an hour each way, and not all that great of fishing there either. Isn't all that much fun. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And we're on the board for 2023, so that's good news. So until next time, keep fishing.